day to all. My name is Mark Yasin Lastra Espelago, and it is a pleasure to introduce myself today, alongside my esteemed group mates, Malubay and De La Vega. I stand before you with the intention of presenting an informative discussion on the intricacies of job interviews. Job interviews serve as a pivotal gateway for individuals seeking employment, acting not only as a platform for candidates to showcase their qualifications and experiences, but also enabling employers to assess the potential fit of candidates within their organizational culture. In our presentation, we aim to elucidate various critical components of job interviews process, including preparation, techniques, the type of interviews one might encounter, and the effective strategies to employ during this important interaction. And last, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and understanding necessary to navigate the complex landscape of job interviews successfully. We invite you to engage actively during this presentation, as we believe that the collaborative approach will enhance our collective learning experience. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to enlightening discussion.
Next applicant, please.
Good morning, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm Joshua Alvi De La Vega, 18 years old. I'm graduate from Our Lady of Lourdes College. My hobby is playing online games.
Joshua, what are your strengths?
My strength is problem solving and good teamwork to others.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is time management, and I'm actively improving this.
Why are you interested in this position?
The opportunity to contribute my skills to restaurant, and I would like to be assistant manager because I have experience to hold some restaurant.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation are in the rest of 7K in a week or 10K.
What do you do? See yourself in 5 years.
I see myself as a valuable member of your team, continuing to grow my skills and taking on more responsibility.
Why did you leave your previous job?
I was looking for a new challenge with more opportunities for growth, specific skills development.
And that's all. Thank you for your appearance. I will call you later. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.